Welcome SCPH to our presentation on chapter number 5, Father's Help, and this is part 6 of our presentation. So, in our previous presentation, we have completed page number 44, right? And in this presentation, we are going to study page number 45, right? So now, in our previous presentation, what did we learn? We learned that Swaminathan's father, he wrote a letter to the headmaster and he asked Swaminathan to deliver this letter to the headmaster and go to the class. And he also asked Swaminathan to bring an acknowledgement from his headmaster about Samuel teacher in the evening, right? Now Swaminathan went to school feeling that he was the worst perjurer on earth. His conscience bothered him. He wasn't at all sure if he had been accurate in his description of Samuel. He could not decide how much of what he had said was imagined and how much of it was real. Oh my God. Now what did Swaminathan do? Swaminathan, when he went to the school feeling that he was the worst perjurer on earth. Perjurer is one who says the lie. जो लोग झूठ बोलते हैं, especially in the court, especially the person in the court. Now people in the court, when before justifying themselves, they have to touch the red color book that is normally called the Gita, and they have to say whatever they are going to speak in the court is going to be the truth, and they are not going to say any lies. But Swaminathan, he was a perjurer. He was the worst perjurer. Perjurer is the one who says the lie. ठीक है, जो लोग झूठ बोलते हैं उनके लिए हम यूज़ करते हैं perjurer. Okay, so Swaminathan was he was the worst perjurer, he thought, on earth. Now his conscience bothered him. ठीक है, conscience bothered him, it means that जो भी स्वामीनाथन ने सोच के अपना ड्रीम किया था, इमेजिन करके अपना जो प्लान बनाया था और सब उसने जो अपने फादर को बताया था, वो सब उसे बॉदर कर रहा था, परेशान कर रहा था, क्योंकि वो सारी चीज़ बातें उसके दिमाग में घूम रही थी अब. Now he wasn't at all sure if he had been accurate in his description of Samuel. वो sure नहीं था, मतलब he wasn't even sure that he have described the behavior of the teacher Samuel correctly or not. वो श्योर नहीं था कि उसने सैमुअल के बारे में सही बोला है या फिर गलत बोला है. He could not decide how much of what he had said was imagined and how much of it was real. अब जब वो बातों को वापस रिमेंबर कर रहा था, याद कर रहा था, उसे ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि इसमें से कितनी बात उसने खुद ने इमेजिन करके बोली है और कितनी एक्चुअल में रियल में है. ठीक है. नाउ यू कैन इमेजिन व्हाट ऑल थिंग्स ही हैव डिस्क्राइब्ड अबाउट सैमुअल, दैट ही इज़ वेरी वायलेंट, ही बीट्स द स्टूडेंट्स वेरी बैडली, राइट, till he sees the blood on the boy's hand. He usually what he do, he twists the ear of the boys, right, and make them stay on their knees. Now according to what Swaminathan had described to the father about Samuel, that Samuel was the very violent man and he deserved the punishment, and that was jail. Now this is very big punishment, right? And on a way to the school, like when Swaminathan, he was going to the school, he was thinking about what he has talked to his father about Samuel, and he could not even imagine, he was not even sure that how much he had imagined, कितना उसने actually imagine करके बोला, अपने आप बना के बोला है, और कितना actual में सैमुअल का behavior ऐसा है कि नहीं है, उसको खुद को ही नहीं पता था. He stopped for a moment on the roadside to make up his mind about Samuel. His cane scanned people's hands. Swaminathan cast his mind about for an instant on this. There was nothing within his knowledge. Years and years ago, he was reputed to have skinned the knuckles of a boy in the first standard and made him spew the blood on his face. No one had actually seen it. Okay, but year after year, the story persisted among the boys. Swaminathan's head was busy with confusion in regard to Samuel's character, whether he was good or bad, whether he deserved the allegation in the letter or not. He felt an impulse to run home and beg his father to take back the letter, but father was an obstinate man. Okay? Now what does this mean? Let's see. So he stopped for a moment on the roadside to make up his mind about Samuel. Now what happened when he was walking towards the school? When Swaminathan was going to the school, on the way he stopped on the roadside. वो अपनी road side पे वहाँ पे रुक गया and he started like he was making his mind about Samuel's character. वो अपने मन में imagine कर रहा था कि Samuel teacher जो उसने बोला है स्वामीनाथन ने अपने father को about Samuel, he was actually making his mind कि ये सब सच बोला है उसने, अपने mind को prepare कर रहा था कि उसने ये सब सच बोला है and Samuel teacher is like this only. Okay? Yeah, of course he is not doing a very right thing, he is doing very bad thing. दैट उसने झूठ बोला है लेकिन वो अपने आप को भी बिलीव करवा रहे कि उसने सही बोला है. दैट इज़ नॉट राइट. नाउ his cane scanned people's hand. Now he also imagined the first point when he was making his mind that he is going to believe on what lies he have told to his father. First point he remembered was the cane scanned people's hand. स्केल से लोगों को पिटाई मिलती है हाथ में, वो उसको याद आई. बिकॉज इन हिज नॉलेज, उसकी नॉलेज में अब तक किसी के साथ भी ऐसा नहीं हुआ है कि उन्हें स्केल से इतनी ज़ोर से बीटिंग मिली है कि उनके हाथ में से ब्लड आने लग गया और उन्हें उनके हाथों में कट्स हैं. ऐसा किसी के साथ नहीं हुआ था उसकी नॉलेज में. एंड द फर्स्ट थिंग वॉज हिज केन स्कैन पीपल हैंड. नाउ स्वामीनाथन कास्ट हिज माइंड अबाउट फॉर इंस्टेंस ऑन दिस. अब स्वामीनाथन जो था वो थोड़ा सोचने लगा इस पॉइंट के बारे में. Now there was nothing within his knowledge. Just now I told you. Years ago, he reputed to have skinned the knuckles of a boy in the first standard and made him smear the blood on his face. Now, years and years ago, मतलब बहुत साल पहले, there was an instance, ऐसा कुछ incidents हुआ था जो सैमुअल ने बताया, स्वामीनाथन ने बताया कि जो स्टूडेंट है उसके हाथ में से ब्लड आने लग गया था, लाइक दैट. ओके, सो देयर वाज एन इंसिडेंस अबाउट अ बॉय कि उसको बहुत ज़ोर से बीटिंग्स मिली थी बाय अ टीचर. ठीक है, बट द बैड थिंग वॉज दैट नो वन इन हिज स्कूल रिमेंबर्स दैट इंसिडेंस. उसके स्कूल में किसी को भी उस इंसिडेंस के बारे में कुछ भी याद नहीं है. दैट देयर वॉज अ बॉय हु गॉट सच अ बैड beatings from the teacher and he was a first standard boy, right? Now no one had actually seen it, but year after year the story persisted among the boys. Now Swaminathan's head was dizzy with confusion in regard to Samuel's character, whether he was good or bad. Now ये सब सोचते हुए what happened, Swaminathan's हेड वॉज गेटिंग डिजी. और उसे चक्कर आने लग गए थे स्वामीनाथन को. क्यों? क्योंकि वो कंफ्यूज हो गया था. ही गॉट कंफ्यूज दैट सैमुअल इज़ अ गुड टीचर और अ बैड टीचर. See, he told so many lies that he itself got confused that Samuel teacher is he a good teacher or a bad teacher, right? Now whether he was a good or a bad, whether he deserved the allegations in the letter or not. Now whatever his father had written in the letter about Samuel, so जो भी उससे उस लेटर को पढ़ने के बाद आउटकम आएगा कि उसे ये पनिशमेंट मिलनी चाहिए, वो एक्चुअली जो सैमुअल टीचर है उसे डिज़र्व करता है, एक्चुअली उसे मिलनी चाहिए कि नहीं चाहिए, उस पर भी जो स्वामीनाथन है उसे बहुत रिग्रेट हुआ, मतलब उसे बहुत बुरा लगा. ओके, नाउ फॉर एन इंस्टेंस, थोड़ी सी देर के लिए अचानक से लाइक यू कैन से एकदम से हमें याद रहता है कि एकदम से आइडिया आता है. तो ऐसे ही जो स्वामीनाथन है उससे एकदम से आइडिया आया. सो फॉर सम इंस्टेंस ही फेल्ट एन इम्पल्स. उसे एक इम्पल्स है, मतलब अचानक से उसने सोचा दैट ही शुड रन बैक टू द होम, उसे घर वापस भागना चाहिए. एंड ही शुड बेग हिज फादर टू टेक बैक द लेटर, बट फादर वॉज एन ऑब्स्टिनेट मैन, मतलब स्टबर्न मैन, ज़िद्दी आदमी थे. ठीक है, सो नो मैटर हाउ मच एवर स्वामीनाथन इज़ गोइंग टू बेग हिज फादर to take back this letter, his father is not going to take the letter back. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. As he approached the yellow building, he realized that he was perjuring himself and was ruining his teacher. Probably the headmaster would dismiss Samuel, and when the police would chain him and put him in jail for all this disgrace, humiliation, and suffering, who would be responsible? Now, what happened? As he approached the yellow building, now yellow color building is the color of the school, that is Albert Mission School. And what is the color of the school? It's yellow color building. Okay, now as he approached it, मतलब जैसे ही वो स्कूल के पास पहुंचा, he realized that he was perjuring himself. वो अपने आप से ही झूठ बोल रहा था. Swaminathan, he realized that he was like perjuring himself. वो अपने आप को ही झूठ बोल रहा था, and was ruining his teacher. एंड वो अपनी टीचर की जो करियर जो है उनका जॉब उसको भी ख़राब कर रहा था, ruin कर रहा था. Okay, now probably the headmaster would dismiss Samuel and then the police would chain him and put him in jail. अब क्या होगा? आफ्टर रीडिंग द लेटर द हेडमास्टर इज़ गोइंग टू डिसमिस सैमुअल, जॉब से निकाल देंगे, राइट? एंड देन ही इज़ गोइंग टू complain about Samuel to the police, and the police is going to arrest him and put him in jail, right? Now for all this disgrace, humiliation and suffering, who would be responsible? अब जो भी डिस्ग्रेस होगा, ह्यूमिलेशन और सफरिंग सैमुअल टीचर को सफ़र करना पड़ेगा, उसका रिस्पॉन्सिबल कौन होगा? वो किसकी वजह से हुआ है? जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ स्वामीनाथन्स lie, just to be at home, to stay at home, he said such a big lie, जिसकी वजह से जो उसकी टीचर हैं सैमुअल, उन्हें जेल हो सकती है और उसकी वजह से उन्हें बहुत ह्यूमिलेशन सफरिंग, बिकॉज ऑफ कोर्स दे आर गोइंग टू गेट बीटिंग्स एंड वहाँ पे इतना लाइक फैसिलिटीज़ आर नॉट देयर इन द जेल, राइट? इट्स वेरी बैड एनवायरनमेंट इन अ जेल. सो ये सब उन्हें टॉर्चर को लाइक ही हैव टू उसे उन्हें सहन करना पड़ेगा, ये सब टॉर्चर सैमुअल को, राइट? किसके लिए? हु इज़ रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर इट? ये सब करने के लिए लाइक हु इज़ रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर इट? सो इट वॉज स्वामीनाथन, जस्ट फॉर हिज लाइफ, कि उसे घर पे रहना था, उसके लिए उसने इतना बड़ा झूठ बोला. नाउ स्वामीनाथन shuddered the more he thought of Samuel, the more he grieved for him. As he felt the bulge of the letter in his pocket, he felt like a executioner. Now what happened? Samuel, he shuddered, मतलब he shivered. He shivered the more he thought about Samuel. जितना वो सैमुअल टीचर के बारे में सोच रहा था, उतना वो shudder कर रहा था, shiver कर रहा था. The more he grieved for him, उतना ही उसे sorry feel हो रहा था for the teacher, right? As he felt the bulge of the letter in his pocket, he felt like an executioner. और उसे ये भी फील हो रहा था like he had kept the letter in his pocket. तो वो जो bulge हो रहा था, okay, so bulge of a letter, he could feel that he was an executioner. Okay, he felt like that. Now as he entered the school gate, an idea occurred to him, a sort of solution. He wouldn't deliver the letter to the headmaster immediately, but at end of the day. To that extent, he would disobey his father and exercise his independence. There was nothing wrong in it, and father would not know it anyway. If the letter was given at the end of the day, there was a chance that Samuel might do something to justify the letter. Now, what does this mean? As he entered the school gate, जैसे ही स्वामीनाथन स्कूल गेट में एंटर किया, an idea occurred to him, right? Now there was an idea which had obstructed him. It occurred to him as a sort of a solution, एक solution हल की तरह, ठीक है? Now he wouldn't deliver the letter to the headmaster immediately. What he thought, that he is not going to give the letter to the headmaster in the beginning, in the starting, or he can say in early. Okay, he is going to give the letter to the headmaster at the end of the school, right? When the school is going to get over, at the end of the school, end of the day, he is going to give the letter to the headmaster. Now due to this, by giving the letter at the end of the day, what will happen? The Samuel, we can say स्वामीनाथन, he would enjoy his independence. ठीक है, वो अपनी आज़ादी, लाइक उसे ऐसा फील होगा that he is free now, by giving the letter at the end of the school, because if he is going to give the letter at the end of the school, he is not going to take the acknowledgement back to the home, ठीक है, which the headmaster is going to give him after reading the letter. Now there is nothing wrong in it. Swaminathan, he thought that there is nothing wrong in it, इसमें कुछ गलत ही नहीं है. And father would not know it anyway, और उसके father को भी पता नहीं चलेगा कि that Swaminathan have delivered the letter in the morning or at the end of the day, right? Now if the letter was given at the end of the day, there was a chance that Samuel might do something to justify the letter. Now अगर वो लेटर को एंड ऑफ द डे अगर स्वामीनाथन ने दिया हेडमास्टर को, तो कुछ चांस सैमुअल को मिल सकती है अपने आप को जस्टिफाई करने के लिए, राइट? अपने आप को बताने के लिए कि मैंने ऐसा कुछ किया है या फिर नहीं किया, राइट? नाउ Swaminathan stood at the entrance of his class. Samuel was teaching arithmetic. He looked at Swaminathan for a moment. Swaminathan stood, hoping that Samuel would fall on him and tear his skin off, but Samuel merely asked, "Are you just coming to the class?" Now what happened? Swaminathan, he stood at the entrance of the class. अपनी क्लास के एंट्रेंस में खड़ा हुआ था Swaminathan, and Samuel was teaching arithmetic. And what Samuel teacher was doing? He was teaching arithmetic in his class. Now he looked at Swaminathan for a moment, and for a second, he looked at Swaminathan, who was standing at the entrance of the class. Now what happened? Swaminathan, he stood over there and he was hoping, वो wish कर रहा था God से that Samuel is going to come and then he is going to give very bad beatings to him. He is going to tear his skin off. He thought like that. But Samuel, he did not do anything like that. He just asked him, "Are you just coming to the class? क्या तुम just अभी आ रहे हो class में?" He asked that. So this is it for this presentation. So we are going to continue this chapter in our next presentation. So thank you.